Hello and welcome to Mr. J's Box Breaks. Today we have the Hit Parade 2021 Big Box Entertainment Edition Series 3. That's definitely a mouthful. What these boxes are is they're from Dave & Adam's Card World. It's the only place you can buy them. They're from a company called Hit Parade, which is basically, whether it's in-house or a partner of Dave & Adams, they're basically one and the same in terms of company. It's something Dave & Adams started, where it's like repacked autographs, and then now they've gotten a combination of repacked and they go out and get celebrities to sign things, athletes. They get graded cards that are of high rarity and then some that are extremely common. It's pretty common to see these come at a premium. There's some boxes that are like Sapphire Edition where you will pay upwards of $1,000 for one autographed card. 9 times out of 10, you're going to get an autograph that falls extremely short of that value. So if you're okay taking the gamble, you don't mind losing some money, but you have a chance at getting a major hit, like say, a BGS 9 or a PSA 9 Michael Jordan rookie card, then yeah, you're that one person out of 100 or 200 boxes that really got their money's worth out of it. There are other hits that are of value in the sports ones. I mean, you get Kobe Bryant's, LeBron James, autographs, relics, things like that. This one's strictly entertainment, so it's celebrities. This could range from wrestlers to somebody on a TV show, a movie actor, like Steven Spielberg, so somebody a little more behind the scenes. There's guaranteed to be 5 autographed items in here. So let's go ahead and see what we got. I already opened the box in advance, cutting the security seal. It's actually a very strong security seal. So I made sure to cut that in advance so you don't see me struggling during the video. I apologize in advance for the noise. They pack it with a lot of this paper. Let's look at this first item. Okay. They typically come in these fancy little bags here. What do we got here? Oh, okay. So the first item we have is the actor who plays Kyle Reese in Terminator, Michael Biehn. Oh man, I never know his last name. But he plays Kyle Reese in the Terminator. It's his action figure and it's autographed. And it comes with a certificate of authentication from PSA. Pretty neat. Love Terminator. This will be good for the collection. All right, let's see what we got next. Ooh, this is actually a pretty heavy box. Ooh, the package. Oh my God. I got the hit that I could only dream of getting. Got a Jeremy Bullock replica helmet. Boba Fett. That is awesome. This is going on the mantle with the rest of the memorabilia and autographs that I have. This is cool. This is something I've always wanted. All of these come with PSA authentication. That's awesome. I can see that. Whew. Not everybody's probably a fan of these things. But I'll tell you, I'm feeling good about it so far. Okay, now we're getting to the thinner stuff, which is probably like comic books, possibly pictures, autographed, posters, things like that. Or scripts. So we have a GSA authentication and Ferris Bueller's Day Off. You know who that autograph is? Charlie Sheen. Awesome. Oh, man, oh man. I'm gonna be honest with you, usually I don't get this many hits, so this must be one of the big hit boxes. Let's see, this feels like a comic book, a graded comic. Okay, we've got, oh. If you can't tell what that is from the back, it's Bill and Ted's Triumphant Return 9.8. Autographed by Alex Winter. Sweet. Sweet. I am a huge Bill and Ted fan. I was excited when the third film came out. I've been a huge fan for years and years. The video games, the movies. Wow, that's awesome. All right, one more item to go. Double bagged for your protection. Okay, so it's like a poster print. Let's see who we got here. So, autographs are, oh, whoa, whoa. Wow, we got 3 autographs. That's awesome. Got Jerry Marin, Mickey Carroll, and Carl Slover. That is awesome. That is cool. Wow. Look at that. Comes with the authentication down at the bottom. That is sweet. Awesome. Who doesn't love a little bit of Wizard of Oz memorabilia? Pretty cool. Well, there you have it. I mean, this is, you know, this is either a big hit box or they're really stepping up their game with these. So, Hit Parade from Dave and Adam's World. Definitely give it a look. This box came in at like $450. I definitely see the value in this package. Not all of them have fantastic things in them, but definitely worth a gamble here and there. Thanks for watching today, and I'll post some more videos soon.